Brand new oceanfront 3-bedroom unit for sale in Palacio del Mar. Experience the stunning ocean views that can be enjoyed from every part of the living areas in this condo. The 3-bedroom corner units boast an expansive wraparound balcony with glass sliding doors that also encircle the front of the condo. These doors slide wide open to merge the outdoor patio with the indoor living area, perfect for gatherings and dinners. The layout of the condo is perfect for both entertaining guests and taking advantage of the scenery. The kitchen is exquisitely designed, featuring spacious cabinets and pantry, stunning quartz countertops and backsplash, and charming ocean views from the kitchen bar. Additionally, the kitchen is fully equipped with stainless steel appliances. The master bedroom has been oriented to provide stunning views of the ocean. Large sliding doors lead to a private balcony, which connects to the larger balcony in the living room. The master bedroom is incredibly spacious, offering ample room for additional seating areas, a large dressing table, or a desk. The master closet is huge and features a well-lit wall mirror, in addition to plenty of storage space. The master bathroom is also large, with a double-sized shower with beautiful glass doors and a double vanity with large mirrors. The second bedroom is spacious enough that it can easily accommodate a king-size bed. Its large window provides a beautiful view of the hills behind Palacio del Mar and floods the room with natural light. This bedroom also comes with a walk-in closet and a private bathroom. The third bedroom also has plenty of space, perfect for either a spare bedroom or a home office. It comes with a top-to-bottom wall closet. The hallway where the bedrooms are is wide and well lit, a great place to feature art pieces. Contact us to see this condo.